So yesterday I came across some video that was talking about drop servicing and how profitable it can actually be, so I decided to test it out myself. Today I will be creating a brand new store from scratch and I will try drop servicing one service from Fiverr to see how much I can make in the next 24 hours. And for those of you guys that don't even know what drop servicing actually is, well, basically it's like the same thing as drop shipping, but now we're not drop shipping physical products, but we are actually drop shipping services from Fiverr. And the reason we pick Fiverr is because Fiverr now became a really competitive website where professionals are listing their services at a very low price so they can actually stand out, because there are thousands of people doing the exact same thing on Fiverr. So we want to take advantage of that and we want to resell those services from Fiverr to our own website. Now basically how it actually works is we find, for example, a logo design for $20 on Fiverr.com. Then we create our own store and we list the same logo design for $200. We advertise, and whenever someone purchases from us for $200, we take $20, purchase that logo design on Fiverr.com. We go back to our customer and deliver that and sell it for $200, and then keep $180 as a pure profit. So we're kind of playing the role of a middleman, and that's how the entire drop shipping and drop servicing business actually work. And for the sake of this video, I have actually created a brand new PayPal account. So I have $0 on this account right now. Let me just refresh it so you can see that this is not a screenshot. I literally have $0, which I'm not proud of, but yes, this is a brand new account and I haven't even connected my credit card yet. I will connect it, I promise you. Let me go to payments so you can see that this account has 0 payments right now. And by the way, let me show you today's date so you can see I have $0 on today's date. This is the today's date. Let me type in that once again. So today's date on Google, and you can see that it's December 25. Let me just refresh this once again, December 25, 2019. And I have $0 at the moment. And I will be using Bluehost to host my website. I bought some upsells, like some extra security or something. I don't even know what, but anyways, I will be paying less than $20 per month to host my website. And I also got a domain for absolutely free from Bluehost. So in total for now, I have invested less than $20, $19.70 to be precise. I will be using WordPress and its free plugins to build my sales page, just because I don't want to pay for Kartra or ClickFunnels, so I can save as much money as I possibly can and start this business with less than $100. I will be using plugins like Cardflows, WooCommerce, and Elementor. And now it's about time we find the right service to promote on our website. In order to do the proper keyword research, I will be using a free tool called Google Keyword Planner. And according to Google Keyword Planner, real estate promo videos are currently in high demand, but the competition is pretty low. So basically, I found a guy on Fiverr with 5-star ratings providing the service for $25. So I will drop service his gig to my sales page and I will set the price to $295, which means I will be left with a total profit of $270 each time I make a sale. And before we continue, as you can see, there are no ads in this video. I'm not running ads, so there are no annoying and boring ads to interrupt you while watching this video. So if you do appreciate that, just hit the like button, leave a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking for. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Now with that being said, in roughly 30 minutes, I have created my sales page, and how I actually did it is that I just took a free template and I just customized it with the Elementor. It's fully customizable. You know, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change everything once again for absolutely free. And still I have invested only $19.70 until now. So $19, less than $20 for now invested. And this is how the sales page actually looks like. This is the landing page. I have also created the checkout page and the thank you page in literally less than 30 minutes. I also designed some simple logo right here, as you can see. And all I did is, once again, I just, you know, this is a already pre-made template for me, and I just changed the colors, the background. I changed the text right here. I added my sample video, and how I added the sample video is I just took the video from Fiverr, I just downloaded that to my computer and I just uploaded it right here. So it looks kind of professional. This is how our page is gonna look like. So whenever someone comes to our landing page, this is what they're gonna see. They can purchase the product by clicking on some of this button like let's get started or buy now, and they can read more about it. I also added some you know, our features of the website, and what I actually did right here is I just saw what they're providing in the description of this gig, and I just, you know, created it in a really professional way. As you can see, high quality background music, custom colors, fast service, customer support, professional service, and so on and so forth. I also added like joined over 10,000 satisfied users and what our users have said about our services, and I basically took the people from the people that they're leaving feedback under these under this gig over here. So I just took their reviews and I just pasted them over here. I also have the frequently asked questions, which I also took from this page. So they have a frequently asked questions right here. I took those frequently asked questions. I also added one extra just to make it a little bit longer and just to make this page a little bit better. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I actually build this page and how I'm gonna run the ads and all of that stuff, you know, to show you everything from scratch, I might make a full tutorial on this. Just leave a comment down below, and if there is enough of you guys leaving comments and if there are enough likes on this video, I will do it, I promise you. And with that being said, we need to start driving traffic to our sales page. As a main traffic source, I will be using Google Ads, but as well I will be promoting my sales page inside of some Facebook groups about real estate. So my total budget for these Google Ads is gonna be $80, which means with the hosting package, with the Bluehost package of $19.70 and $80 for Google Ads, I have spent $99.70 on this business. I have invested $99.70, which is still less than $100. And let's see what's gonna happen in the next 24 hours. Will I see any return in this investment or not? And yes, it's still 25 of December. As you can see, this is in Google. This is live on Google. If I can refresh this or not, let me type in once again today's date so you can see. Let's type it in, today's date, and yes, you can see Wednesday, December 25, 2019. Okay guys, so I just woke up. It's Thursday, December 26th. Let me just refresh this so you can see it's 26th of December, and I got some good news. So even though it's literally 9 a.m. currently, and our ad campaign went active yesterday at 5 p.m. And it's currently 9 a.m. and take a look at this. I got a notification in my Gmail and we got our first sale for $295. So I will now just fulfill this order and we will be waiting until 5 p.m. if we can get more sales or not, but still we got our money back. I got some return in this investment and I also made some profits, but still it's still 9 a.m. It's currently 9 a.m. Let me just type in today's date and time. Let me just show you this. You can see it over here. It's literally 9 a.m. almost 10 a.m. and we got our first sale. Okay, so it has been almost 24 hours since our first ad campaign went active and I'm pretty satisfied with the results. So my first 24 hours in the drop servicing business, I have made $590. Yes, we made 2 sales today. As you can see right here, let me just reload this. Let me just refresh this page so you can see that this is not a screenshot, that this is real. So we made December 26th. We made, let it just load once again, $590. Now just keep in mind that this is not all profit. So I did get $590, but as you know, I spent $19.70 on hosting. Then I paid $80 for ads, and I also gave $50 to the guy from Fiverr to do the work for me, plus $4 on Fiverr fees. So that means after all of that, I'm being left with a pure profit of $436.30 in my first 24 hours drop servicing. Okay, so that's how much I made my first 24 hours drop servicing. So over $400 in the first 24 hours. It's not that bad at all. And will I continue to drop service in the future? Well, I don't know, maybe, but you know, I have some different businesses making me even more money that I want to focus more on. But if you want to see more videos about drop servicing, if you want more videos like this, just make sure to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments whether you want more videos like this or not. And if there is enough of you guys, then I will definitely consider making more videos about drop servicing and making more of this kind of videos. So definitely, if you did enjoy this video, just hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.